Hello, I am on. Sorry about the glare. I was going to use the lamp that comes with my camera stand, but boy, did that ever glare on my... But I want some light, right? I don't know. I struggle with lighting and stuff. Okay, that's better. All right, here we go. Just get going. This is HSN today, the last craft day. I do have a few stragglers coming in, but yeah, here we go. So a lot of Kingston crafts. Beth Kingston, who also works for Diamond Press, has been doing, her and her husband have started their own line of things. And the way they package, and like, look at, this is vellum, but it's got two good sized cardstocks to protect it. So they're very careful to really do a good job with this. So we get this plaid vellum. Get two of each, and this was, let me look again. What does that say on there? Oh, autumn, so it kind of goes this way. Oh, just gorgeous. Let me see. I wrote down how much. Where did I write it down? It's probably not this price anymore, but, you know, $22.64, but you get like 10 designs, 2 each, so 20 vellums, 12 by 12. So that's a good price. Just saying. I love the colors, the fall. So there's this one. Am I the only one that goes, it's kind of gross. I know it's a habit. Let me see if I can do it without. I remember during COVID, those little bags of the vegetable, I could not open them because you didn't want to lick your fingers and spread the germ. Oh my god. And you had your face mask on, so. And look at the pumpkins. So yeah, that was a hard time. Oh, this is kind of cool. So it's kind of a burgundy, but with spider webs. Very unique. I like that. And skulls. Not my favorite, but you know, it is what it is. Argyle. Oh, I like this. Very Halloween-y. It's called Halloween. So. But anyway, they have their own site, too, if you want to check out their own site. See, I like the cat, but I don't want to see its insides. Just saying. Oh, and then this one's kind of got a... Oh, it's bats. I thought it was Holy. It's pretty cool. I don't mind that one. At least he's happy. He's smiling. Yeah, good. That's about as creepy as I can get. That's it. Okay. So again, they package it so well. It's awesome. I really appreciate their care they give to stuff. Okay, then I'm gonna move on, keep going. Oh, this is Diamond Press. But I have the Grand Marquis, which is an 11 by, I don't remember, not quite 8. 11 by 7 or something. Anyway, $25.29, and I get 60, I think, in here. Oh, they even tell you how to use it. But it's adhesive back. Get going, Kim. Adhesive backed. I love this stuff. Do I use it enough? No, because I don't always think of it. But fall colors. And, of course, you don't have to have a Grand Marquis, but it just fits in there. It's made to fit in the Grand Marquis, but like I said, you don't have to have one to use it, obviously. You do you. And then this is another Kingston Crafts. 8 sheets. I have so much Halloween crafters. I need to open my own Halloween crafting store, I think. I don't know. Anyway, moving on. So I got more now. And you get all these puffy stickers. And what did I pay for this? I thought I wrote it down. Maybe I didn't. Oh well. I think it was like 13 or something. Oh, I wrote it down. I guess not. Yeah, I did. $13.91. Okay. Just hold the yellow behind it. But look at these. They're so well done. Really nice. Yeah, I think you get like, what did I say, 8 sheets of this? Is that the same? No. Got the same. Oh, I was like, he's missing his head. He solded it. Oh, so this is, oh, you get 2 of each sheet. Okay, I was like, this looks the same. What am I doing? So I could share with a friend. And then here's your fall. Oh, I love the fox. I love pumpkin pie. oddly, Emma loves pumpkin. I just don't think of that as a kid-friendly food. But she likes it, so, you know. There we go. Oh, got the crow. My friend Rhonda loves a good crow. Thankful. Oh, these are so cool. Look at the coffee. Oh, the crow. The colors of autumn. Yes, gorgeous. I always get kind of melancholy, though. I love fall. Love it. Love to be done with the dry. When summer's over, I'm ready. But, I don't know. It's just passing of time or something. I don't know. Is it just me, or does it... I love fall. I love the colors. I love getting ready, the crisp air. I love the colors and the Halloween, but it just makes me kind of melancholy, and I don't know if that's just me or what. But anyway, so there we go. I got enough of those to last me the rest of my lifetime, along with all the other stuff I have. I know. Okay. Anywho, we'll just put that here. And then I went ahead and got, for $28.58, because once on craft day, it's a $7.50 either the day it starts. For me in the Pacific Northwest, it's at 9, because it's their Eastern time. Anyway, within that 24 hours or the next day, you get a flat fee of $7.50 shipping. So, you know, buy one thing, the rest is... So this is like, is this double white? It's a tape thing. Dots, glue dots. I think this is red line tape. But you know, I've been wanting more red. Oh, and I love this. Nice and narrow, different. And I know their stuff will be good because everything they do is. And here's a wider ½ inch. Love it. And then 4 rolls red line. So you get a 1 inch and a 1. Okay. So this is the 1 inch red line tape. Okay, that makes sense. Okay. And then all these different, sorry, crinkle, crinkle, and more crinkle. But all these are red line tapes, different widths. And I like that I'm getting some good glue dots again. I mean, you get 3 rolls of glue dots, 1, 2, 3, 4 rolls of red line tape, and 1, 2, 3 of the double stick tape. And a lot on them. So I think for $28.58, that was a good deal. That's what I'm going to tell myself so I feel better about it. Anyway, and then Kingston Crafts, they always do, this is called Halloween Slim. Look at how much. 160 pieces of slim line paper. Yeah. I don't know. God. Okay, anyway. Oh, some nice shiny blacks. You get your basics, your plain, all these. But what I like about them, and I've pointed this out before, it's so cool. I mean, you get your standard cardstock, which is awesome. Happy with that, just your different plain colors. Oh, and it matches. Oh my gosh, they are so ingenious. So you get all these, you know, flat cardstocks. But it matches some of that vellum I got. But here's what I love about them. This size on one side, even smaller on the other. Ingenious. I'm telling you, Beth Kingston, you're rocking it. I just always buy this stuff because it's just such a good deal. And you get like 500 of each pattern. Now that was wheat. Look at this one. Isn't that gorgeous? Look at that. Okay. So I don't know. I threw it down. I don't know how many I get in here of each, but doesn't matter. Anyway, here's some nice burgundy, and here's this gingham. One side, the other side. I think this is the vellum. Remember, I was trying to read the vellum. Here it is, bigger, smaller. It's too cool. And look at this. So if you're doing Prima dolls or anything like that where you want tiny paper piecing, Kingston Crafts does it for you because they've got, I don't know, I can't say enough. I love, and Beth Kingston could sell you a beat up car. Look at this one. And daisies, perfect for a Prima doll. My gosh, look at this. Oh my gosh. Look at the pumpkins and all those pretty fall colors. And then tiny. And my Skelly. Crossbones, poison. But still, cute. Okay. Oh, I see. So they put the, like this green goes with these next two or three. Look at that. And then the tiny. Love it. So this green goes with that I just showed you, and it goes with this. Love it. And smaller. Is it? Yes. So here's the big. Here's the smaller. Okay. Took me a minute. Oh, this is cute. Eyeballs. So tiny little eyeballs. Big eyeballs. Oh my gosh. Googly eyes. Okay, I don't mind the skeleton. He's dancing. He's holding his... So it matches those puffy stickers I got too. Okay, this, I'm glad I got it because it goes with everything else I ordered from her. Oh, and see, here's the gold. And here's the other to match it. Wow. So I'm mixing it all up on it. That was dumb of me. Yeah, this goes with the puffy stickers and the vellum. Cute. See? And like she said, she tries to make it so her stuff you can use last year's will go with this year's. There's the argyle that was on the vellum. My arm is getting tired. There's this. Oh, I love that. And then tiny. And then the coordinating color. Okay. Sorry, skip ahead of your spooky haunted house All Hallows Eve written. And then too small for me to read, but you know, it's there. Spiders, little spiders. Big spiders, little spiders. Ghosts on that burgundy. I just love that. And then this pretty plaid. Oh my gosh. So, yeah, 160 papers for, what did I don't know what I even remember what I said. $28.58. I think that was a good deal. Oh, I have one more thing to show before I get all slow on you and start just rambling. So, hang on. Hang on. Hold your horses. So, oh, I'm realizing, okay, so it's got acorns. And more plaid. And then the moons. So, my gosh, this is an unbelievable amount of stuff. Okay, so one little thing from, and I tried to open it so I wouldn't be sitting here for 5 hours opening it, from Diamond Press, the mini bag, I think it's called Mini Bag, Stamps and Dies and 3D Embossing. $39.51, but they give you so much to work with. Oh, okay, there's the embossing. Very cool. Okay. So, you can make your bag and put your faces and cobwebs and the cute witch on there. Here's your sayings and how you could decorate the bag too. Let's see if I can do this right. Yeah, there we go. Look at that. And you could use these on other things. What does it say? Happy Halloween, a little bit spooky and a little bit sweet. Please enjoy this Halloween treat. Oh, that's cute. Trick or treat yourself. I do that all the time. I'm always trick or treating myself. Anyway, hope you have a sweet Halloween. So these could go in cards or anything, and here you could do this on the front panel of your bag. Then you get the dies to make the bag and the tags and all the decorations. Cut out all the stamps. And here it shows you, they always give you the idea book sheet. Oh, and then here's the 3D. So it's a mummy wrap. Oh, so cute. Okay. So here it shows you. Step by step. And here's all the bags you can create. A Frankie bag. Oh, I like the kitty bag. I'm assuming, I mean, it's only August, so I will see my little girls, my littles, Tori and Vienna, before Halloween. Either they come here or I go there. And I can make it maybe 6 weeks, and then I'm just going crazy waiting to see them. I just miss them so much. So here's what the embossing folder does. And here's all the other little things. And here's all the steps that show you how to make. And if you're good at following directions, you're good. Sometimes I'm not. I kind of skim read. It's a bad habit because then I miss important stuff on a lot of things. So today I found out, I was like, I got a bill for 160 something odd dollars from McAfee, and I'm like, I just paid McAfee. I had 2 accounts going, so they canceled it, thank God. I was like, oh my gosh. I said to the kid, well, every time I'm on my computer, it's always saying, oh, McAfee found this, get more, get protected. So I go, I don't like that. I should get everything for that amount of money for a year. I should get everything. Anyway, he was like, yeah. Sure, lady. Anyway, I corrected it. I have 1 account now. Good Lord. It's like, good God, it was like too much as before. But he was very helpful once you get through all the AI and the chat box. And, oh my God, it drives me freaking nuts. I just want to talk to a person. I don't want to talk to a computer. It's annoying, I'm telling you. But, it is what our world is now. I mean, my little kids, my grandkids, oh, that's AI, they'll say. And it isn't. And it's like they don't know real from AI anymore. Everything to them, it's sad. It's like, no, that wasn't AI, that was real. That painting is real, it's not AI. It's like, it's just sad to me. I don't know. Different world, different times, I guess. So, and I'm sure my parents said that about what, my generation and so on, but it's just, I don't like it. And I saw that one district is, I think California, I didn't watch the whole, I skim read them anyway, and they're because here in this district, they were really pushing kids on Chromebooks, which is a Google computer. And, like even Emma said, I get tired of being on the computer all the time. It's not healthy for them to spend a good part of their day on a computer. And some districts are banning them. They're saying, no, enough's enough. They get enough screen time, as we call it, at home. They don't need it constantly. They need to read a book. They need to use their hands and figure things out and not just click buttons. I don't know. Okay, I'm going down a tangent I don't need to go down, but let me know what you think about all the new technology like AI. I have to admit, I use ChatGPT and stuff. It helped me plan out my trip. It tells me exactly, you put in who you are, your two, I put in Emma's age and my age, where we were going, what we wanted to do, and it came up with an agenda for all 3 days that we're gone. It's like, okay, that's pretty nice. So, I mean, it's nice in some ways, but I don't want it to be my whole life, right? If I want to talk to a person, give me a person. Anywho, I digress. All right, guys, take care. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.